Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanya and I make content on fun DIY art stuff. So if that's something you're interested in, please consider subscribing, and without any further ado, let's dive into the video. As you have read by the title, आज के वीडियो में we are going to make some really cute fridge magnets in just ₹20. तो ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट ना करते हुए let's start the process. So guys, I'll start by taking M-Seal. You can easily get it from a local shop at just ₹10. After that, mix both the compounds as instructed on the packaging. Once done, I'll get all of my instruments and start molding the clay as per my choice. First piece I'm making here is a rainbow. I am rolling the mixture into small tube-like structures, then joining them together and giving it a curve like rainbow. Now using knife and scoring tool, I am giving the detailings, like here I'm trying to make some clouds. Next piece I'm making here is a cute little elephant. I'm rolling the clay to make its chotu se ears and then making its teeny tiny eyes. Next, I'm using my silicone mold to make a T-letter magnet. I am simply stuffing the mixture into the mold and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before demolding. Also guys, midway I realized that it becomes very easy to roll the mixture if you put some powder on it. Now I'm cutting out some petals to make a flower, and lastly I'm making a cute little cactus. Also guys, one tip is to be a little faster while working with the mixture, as it tends to get hard very quickly. Once all the pieces are completely dried, put a base coat of white paint over it. This is done because it gets easier to paint other colors over white color. Now I'm simply painting all the pieces. I'll start by painting the rainbow. Here I'm using mustard, orange, purple and red acrylic paint. Now I'm painting the elephant using some grey color which I made by mixing black and white color. After that I'm painting the flower. By the way, here I'm trying to make a cherry blossom. I'll play with some lights and shadows by using a lighter and darker tone of the same color. Now I'm giving the final detailings using a black marker, like I'm making cactus ke eyes, spines, elephant's eyes. So last step is to add magnets. I got these magnets from a local store. Now using a hot glue, stick the magnets to all the pieces, and that's it. That's the final result guys. I hope you like it. So that was it for today's video guys. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो like, share, subscribe, do all the good things that you can, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive, stay creative. Bye.